Hello, my name is Amelie and I am one of the CCAS ETD administrators. This video is for CCAS master's students who are submitting a master's thesis. In this video, I will be going through the main formatting requirements for the title page through the Abstract of Thesis section of the master's thesis ETD. I will be going through the formatting requirements for the remaining sections of the ETD in a separate video. So, we will begin with the title page. The information on the title page must be written in a specific order and format. All text on this page must be centered. Have the thesis title start 2 inches from the top of the page. If your thesis title is more than 1 line long, please use single spacing between each of the lines of the thesis title. After you've written the thesis title, please include 3 single-spaced lines, followed by the word by, and then your name. After that, you will again include 3 single-spaced lines, and then the list of your previous degrees, with your lower degrees listed first. Please format your previous degrees in the order of initials of the degree received, in the field of study, followed by the month and year your degree was conferred, and then followed by the name of the institution that conferred your degree. After you've listed all your previous degrees, please use 2 single-spaced lines, and then include the words "a thesis submitted to," followed by 3 single-spaced lines. Then, you will include this block of text. This text is standard for all CCAS master students submitting a thesis. In the last line of this block of text, you will see the type of degree is listed. In this example, Master of Science is listed. You're going to want to change the last word of this text so that it matches the type of degree that you will be receiving. So either Master of Science, Master of Arts, Master of Fine Arts, etc. Please do not list the department or the field of study in this section. Please only write the type of degree that you will be receiving here. After that, you will again include 3 single-spaced lines, followed by the month, date, and year your degree will be conferred. Then, you will include 3 single-spaced lines, the words "thesis directed by," and then 1 single-spaced line. After that, please write your thesis advisor's name, and then in the line directly following, your thesis advisor's academic title. So the page number of the title page is actually small Roman numeral 1, or I, but in following the University and CCAS ETD formatting requirements, we will not be listing the page number on the title page. Next comes the copyright page. This page is optional. If you choose to include this page, please center the text both horizontally and vertically on the page. The first line should have the copyright symbol, followed by copyright, the year your degree is conferred or will be conferred, then by, and then your name. The second line should say all rights reserved. To insert the copyright symbol, you can go to the Insert tab, click on Symbol, and then select the copyright symbol if it automatically appears. If the copyright symbol does not appear here, you can click on More Symbols and search for the copyright symbol. Another way to add the copyright symbol when using Windows is to hold down the Control key, the Alt key, and then C on your keyboard. This will make the copyright symbol automatically appear. Starting from this page, or the second page of your document, we will want the page numbers to appear. To add the page numbers, go to the Insert tab, click on Page Number, select Bottom of Page, and then select the option where the page number appears in the center of the page. Then, select the page number that appears and change the font type to Times New Roman. After that, click on the Design tab, and then in the footer from the bottom setting, you're going to want to make sure that the footer from the bottom is set to 0.5 inches. Like I mentioned previously, for the front pages of your ETD, which is anything that comes before Chapter 1, we're going to want the page numbers to appear using small Roman numerals. Most likely, when you added the page number was automatically set to appear using Arabic numerals, as it does here. To change the page number to small Roman numerals, we're going to want to double-click near the page number to open the footer, then select the footer, and then in the Design tab, click on Page Number, and then Format Page Numbers, and in the pop-up window for the number format, select the option for small Roman numerals. Then click OK, and you will see that the page numbers have been changed to small Roman numerals. However, you will probably also realize that when you add the page number to the document, a page number will also automatically be added to the first page of your document. Like I mentioned before, the title page should not have a page number displayed. So to remove this page number, you're going to want to select the page number that appears on the title page, and then from the Design tab, check the box next to Different First Page. As you can see here, this will remove the page number from the first page, but the page numbers will appear from the second page onwards. Right. So, moving on from the copyright page, we will now move on to the different sections and chapters of your ETD. Each section or chapter must start on a new page. The first section is the dedication page. This page is optional. For the front pages of your ETD, which is anything that comes before Chapter 1, the title of the section must be written in bold font, as it appears here. After you have added the section title, please use 2 single-spaced lines, followed by the section text, and please write the section text using double-spaced lines. After the dedication page will be the acknowledgements page. This page is also optional. If you choose to use this page, again, please include the section title using bold font, and then use 2 single-spaced lines, followed by the section text using double spacing. The next section is Abstract of Thesis. This page is also optional. If you choose to include this section, please write the section title using bold font, and then use 2 single-spaced lines. Then write your thesis title, and then again use 2 single-spaced lines. After this, please enter your abstract text and include it here using double spacing. So I will be stopping this video here, but please refer to our separate videos for the formatting requirements for the remaining sections of your ETD, which is the table of contents section onwards. Thank you!